In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Shopify admin account's password. Keeping your Shopify password up to date is really important for protecting your store, your customer information, and all the hard work you've put into building your business. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through each step of changing your admin password, and I'll also share a few tips to help you choose a strong, secure one. First, start by logging into your Shopify admin account as you normally would. Go to your Shopify login page, enter your current email and password, and sign in. Make sure you're logging in as the account owner or as a staff member with the right permissions, because you'll be accessing your personal security settings. Once you're on the main Shopify admin dashboard, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. This might show your initials or a small avatar. Click on that profile icon and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select your account. This will take you to your account overview page, where you can manage personal details and security settings. On the account page, look to the left side of the screen. You'll see a menu with several options. Click on the option labeled Security. This is where Shopify groups all of your login and password related settings. So it's the area you'll use whenever you need to update credentials or review security details. In the security section, locate the password area. Here, you should see an option that says Change Your Password. Go ahead and click that link or button. This will open a form where you can update your password. You'll now be asked to enter your current password first. This step confirms that it's really you making the change. Carefully type in your existing password, and then move on to the fields for your new password. Enter your new password, and then re-enter it if Shopify asks you to confirm it. Aim for a strong password that's hard to guess, using a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid using anything that's easy to figure out, like your store name or a simple sequence. When everything looks correct, click Change Password or Save, depending on what you see on the button. After a moment, your new password will be applied. Remember to store it somewhere safe, and use this new password the next time you log into your Shopify admin.